Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add multiple photos in TikTok. Let's get started. First, launch your TikTok app and log in. Then, this opens the video creation screen. At the bottom right, tap upload to access your gallery. Then tap on the photo you want to include. You can select several at once. They'll be numbered in the order you pick them. TikTok will automatically create a slideshow with the selected photos. You can adjust transition, add text, stickers, filters, or effects. Then tap sound to add music, then use editing tools to match timing with your chosen audio. When done, tap next, add your caption, hashtags, and choose visibility settings. Then tap post to share your photo slideshow on TikTok. You can also mix photos plus videos in the same upload for more variety. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.